You know what? I don't even want it no more. What up, everybody? It's your boy Mac, the YSO, and I'm back with a new video. So here we are, a new video, a new shoe releasing this past weekend. I went ahead and copped and all that. So before I even get into the story and the shoe, first thing I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Also, give the video a thumbs up, so everybody knows you messing with your boy the YSO. Also, tell your friends, come check out the channel. Have them hit that subscribe button. Share the video out there on all your social media platforms. You can also follow your boy on Instagram, which is down below in the description. It's the YSO, in case you ain't reading the description. You already know where you can follow me. And it's going to be on the screen because you know how I do it. Don't forget, we're racing to our goal of 2,021 subs by the end of the year. We got a ways to go, but we still gonna grind and try to get there. So again, tell your friends, come check out the YSO. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. So look, I already know what you guys are gonna say. I didn't say it, I don't know, in a few videos. I kept saying, you know what? I ain't getting the shoe, but I don't even want the DMP 6s. It made us wait too long. I don't even care no more. You know what? I kind of want them. There was a time at the beginning of the year when I was super juiced and super excited back in January, you know, before all this Corona COVID-19 stuff started going down. I was hyped. I was like, you know what? I'm excited. This is supposed to drop, I think, January 25th, if I remember correctly. It was around that same time the Black Cat 4s dropped. And I was hyped. I was like, you know what? The MP6s, that's going to be the move. That's going to be the move. Push back. Then it was around All-Star. Push back. Then it was sometime in March. Push back. Then came April 18th. That's right, April 18th. This past weekend, they finally released the DMP 6s. So you know what? Your boy, he went ahead and he copped. I went ahead and pulled the trigger. This is the funny thing. I didn't hit on Sneakers app. I actually had to cop the shoe through Foot Locker. Not that that's an issue. You know, obviously, I prefer to go through Sneakers app first. I didn't even get a try again next time, or a sorry or whatever. I got a sorry sold out in your size. And that's what it was. So I was watching the homie Goat Weezy's live, and my boy Justin Kicks was in there, and he was like, hey, YSO, why don't you try Foot Locker? They said, you know, it's going straight to cart. So I'm like, at this point, it's already like 7:30 in the morning. I'm thinking, I'm just taking the L. It is what it is. Maybe it wasn't meant for your boy to get the DMP 6s. So, you know, I get up out the bed. Because, look, I was in the bed. I get up out the bed, run up to the living room, open up the laptop. Next thing you know, straight to the cart, put my info in, and I got the DMP 6s. So I went ahead and I copped. And like I said, I know I was unsure how I felt after all the pushbacks. It was just frustrating, you know, going through all this, waiting for the shoe to drop. Like, it got pushed back 3 to 4 times so far this year. The reasoning, we don't really know. Marketing, who knows? Them trying to make more pairs, we don't know. But the shoe is finally here. So let's go ahead and dive into the Air Jordan 6 DMPs. Now let's go ahead, you know, I gotta read the box. You know, I gotta give you the details on the shoe. The box reads Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP. Color spectrum, black, metallic gold, black. In a size 12. Retail price of the shoe, $200. You know, I'm gonna show y'all the box. Here's what I gotta do. Go ahead and take a look there if it's gonna focus. And you see the information right there. So now that I got the box out the way, let's go ahead and get into the shoe. And here we have the Air Jordan 6 DMP. And first things first, let me just say, I am extremely happy that your boy copped. So first things first, this shoe is nice. Beautiful shoe. I am so happy I copped. Like, all the regrets and everything I was talking about, oh, I'm mad because it got pushed back. You know what? Get that out of here. That wasn't the YSO speaking. That was some scrub. He didn't know what he was talking about. Look, I'm at a loss for words, and you know, your boy, I don't really get at a loss for words. So this this shoe is nice. So let's kind of just dive into the shoe real quick. There's no need for a super detailed review because, as you guys know earlier, this shoe dropped overseas a few times earlier this year. So there have been pairs running around or flying around out here in the sneaker community since pretty much January when the shoe was supposed to originally release. So there are plenty of reviews out here, and I get it. What makes my review special is because I'm doing it with you guys here who support the channel. And again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let your peoples know, come check me out. But let me just go ahead and say this. First things first, obviously, we got the gold hang tag here, as you see right there. Comes in a plastic bag. You guys can see the Jumpman with the light reflection. I got the lights in here. We got to make sure this is a professional atmosphere when we're recording these videos. The back of the hang tag, one thing I noticed people don't show, I think it's pretty dope content that's on the back of the hang tag. And your boy's going to read it to you because that's what I do out here. So the back of the hang tag actually says Air Jordan 6, June 12th, 1991, defining moment. MJ's first professional championship. That's what the hang tag actually says. So, this is dope. Look, we're all grown here. Back when we were young, at least in my day, we used to keep the hang tags on the shoes. I don't really keep my hang tags on the shoes anymore. All my 4s, the 3s that come with hang tags, I take them off. I don't rock them. But this shoe, this one right here, I might actually go ahead and keep this gold hang tag on here. Sorry, let me correct myself. It's a dog tag because, people will be in the comments, yo, Mac, it's not really a hang tag, it's a dog. I know, it's a dog tag, but it's a hang tag on this shoe because that's what I'm calling it right now. But just so y'all know, I know it's a dog tag. Your boy knows. So obviously on the shoe, like I said, I'm not going to get into super details. As you can see on the bottom of the shoe real quick, we have the icy blue black outsole with the gold Jumpman here. You have the icy blue outsole kind of peeking around the hair on the midsole of the shoe. We have the gold hits here along the midsole. There's actually a gold air bubble unit in the shoe. If you can kind of get a look there, gold air bubble unit. Now the upper of the shoe is all nubuck suede material, that nubuck / durabuck material that they use. I'm gonna tell you right now, you definitely gonna want to go ahead and hit these with some repellent. Whatever shoe repellent company you use, you definitely gonna want to head and get these a nice one over before you go ahead and rock these out. Again, it ain't like we going anywhere, so before you rock these in the living room, make sure you go ahead and hit them with that repellent. Whether it's company A, company B, company C, your boy ain't sponsored, so I ain't mentioning no names. But if one of those companies want to hit your boy up, get in the DMs. Your boy's available. He a free agent like LeBron sometimes. I'm ready to leave. Anyway, back to the shoe. Black tongue leading up here. Like a liquefied gold Jumpman here on the actual tongue. Leading up here, you got your lace lock right here. Also black and gold. It's very simple. There is no Nike Air branding on the actual shoe because when this shoe came out in 2006, there was no Nike Air branding on it, and it's not really an OG like that. Take me to the back of the shoe. Right here on the back of the shoe, you have your black Jumpman. Underneath the Jumpman, you have the number 23 here, also in gold. That liquid gold metal type material here. Obviously, the dopest part of the shoe, or one of the dopest part of the shoe, is that gold chrome look you have right here on the back of the pull tab. Obviously, it's not gold, it's plastic, if you can tell right there. That makes the shoe stand out and it makes it real fiery. Obviously, all the gold on the shoe is to commemorate Michael Jordan's first championship that he won with the Bulls. This is the silhouette he was rocking, the Air Jordan 6. So they went ahead and added the gold accents to the shoe, making it one of the defining moments in Jordan's career, hence the term Air Jordan 6 defining moments. So this is why that shoe was dedicated and created, basing, pretty much commemorating Michael Jordan's run on his first championship. Obviously, this shoe is sold out currently on Sneakers app. It has restocked, I don't know how many times in the last 2-3 days. Restocked on Foot Locker, Amps, East Bay, Hibbett's. It's restocked numerous times. So if you haven't seen the alerts for your restocks, make sure you have that J23 app or the Soul Links app so you can go ahead and get those alerts so you know the next time this shoe is going to go ahead and restock, because they keep restocking them. So this isn't as limited as people thought it might have been. It's a massive GR, and I think a lot of it has to do with obviously the stores being closed or whatnot and going through that. So again, go ahead, make sure you check all your apps out. Make sure you got your notifications turned on so you know the next time this shoe gets restocked and you have a chance to cop if you're not already copying. Obviously, some of you guys are also waiting for your shoes to be delivered. Depending on who you ordered it from, is going to determine when the shoe is going to get there. So everybody just wait patiently. Obviously, we don't have nowhere to go. It will be well worth the wait when you get this shoe. Again, this shoe is dope. I'm definitely happy I copped it. I almost missed out because look, I'm gonna be honest with you. I was being lazy Saturday. When I didn't hit on sneakers app, I was just it was gonna be whatever. It was just gonna be whatever. It wasn't meant to be. But it came through, came in, and I'm good and I'm happy about all that. Thanks again for checking out the video. Also, don't forget, follow your boy on Instagram. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. Give the video a thumbs up. Let your boy know in the comment, what's a defining moment in your sneaker life? Tell me down below. Give me a defining moment in your sneaker life, and let's go ahead and talk about that in the comments below. You got your boy Mac the Wise Soul. You got the Air Jordan 6 DMP. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.